Heathcliff. He gets worse every day. It would degrade me to marry him. I wish she hadn't come back. Oh, it would be heaven to escape from this disorderly, comfortless place.
Well, if Master Edgar and his charms and money and parties mean heaven to you, what's to keep you from taking your place among the Linton angels?
I don't think I belong in heaven, Ellen. I dreamt once I was there. I dreamt I went to heaven and that heaven didn't seem to be my home. And I broke my heart with weeping to come back to earth. The angels were so angry, they flung me out into the middle of the heath, on top of Wuthering Heights. And I woke up sobbing with joy. That's it, Ellen. I've no more business marrying Edgar Linton than I have of being in heaven. But Ellen, what can I do?
Thinking of Heathcliff.
Who else?